Gentle hands, show me your gentle hands. Safe hands, kind hands, helping all our friends. Hands can wave and say hello. Hands can build up high. Hands can share a favorite toy. Hands can high five. Up we go! Gentle hands, safe for everyone. Helping hands and caring hands. Kindness can be fun. When big feelings start to grow, stop your hands and breathe in slow. Breathe in, breathe out. Now use kind words. My turn, please. Are you okay? I can help you today. Gentle hands, show me your gentle hands. Safe hands, kind hands, helping all our friends. Safe hands, kind heart, I choose kindness.